Hey bunnies, for today's Naked Sunday video, before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. I said that so fast. You say it fast now. Oh, my hair is bothering me right here. Yes, this is all my natural hair. Black girls can grow long hair too. They really can. This isn't really my hair, but they really can. So yeah. So for today's Naked Sunday video, like I said, go ahead and grab yourself a drink while I try to fix my hair. What I'm drinking is a rum run of Blue Balls because it's one of my favorite ones. Like literally one of my favorites. It has like Sprite and some other things. And if you know me, you know I love a good vodka Sprite. You know I love a good vodka limeade. I don't know how that interjects with each other, but you know, so when the rum and the Sprite and all that blue stuff comes together, it just makes my heart sing. Now, this was also one of the featured drinks at my Naked Sunday Full Frontal event in June. If you were there, shout out to you. If you weren't there but you saw the video, shout out to you anyways, you know. Yeah, so the title of the video suggests we are talking about vaginas and vaginal farts. Now, a vaginal fart, also known as a queef, happens when air enters into the vagina and then it is pushed out. This happens oftentimes during intercourse. It can also happen when your man decides to start playing with you down there and spreads your lips and your hole all the way apart, and then air gets up in there and then it escapes when he's done. Okay, so on my Instagram page, hold on. So on my Instagram page, as you guys know, I oftentimes post these poll questions, and one of those poll questions, it was a while back, asked vaginal farts, mileage, or what was the question? Mileage or normal, something like that. I'll post it somewhere here on the side for you guys to see, and you'll see the results there. And honestly, for the people who said mileage, you should not have access to a vagina at all unless you're a virgin. That could only be your only possible excuse, and then that's not an excuse, because you should be reading about your body and knowing what your body does, right? So that when you are intimate with someone, these things don't frighten you, correct? And that's probably why you came to this video. Am I right? Right. Mileage has nothing to do. Mileage. Here's the thing. Here's the thing with this mileage thing that I have a problem with this mileage thing. You see, this mileage thing, a woman can push an entire child the size of a watermelon through her vagina, and that will not permanently stretch her hole to the size of said watermelon. It will snap back. It will. It may not, in some women's cases, be as tight as it was, but if you're like me and you care about the tightness of your hoo-ha, you are regularly doing your Kegels, you have your little yoni egg, you are doing the regular exercises and all that stuff to keep it nice and tight. Again, granted, having been with, you know, larger membered partners, or maybe not doing your Kegels as much, will not have you as tight as you once were before you had a child, but at the end of the day, your hole will never be gaping. Okay, regardless of what porn tells you, your hole will never be gaping. There are certain procedures that you can do, vaginal reconstruction and all that stuff. Those are for the women who are not taking care of their lady bits, okay? Or if you had like some traumatic experience, which I can't even fathom to think of. I think I just can't think of words right now except saying fathomed and being rhetorical. It's not rhetorical. Anyways, my point is vaginal farts come from air getting inside of the vagina and then escaping out when you're done being played with. You feel me? It's not mileage at all. It's not a thing. That's not a thing. It's not. A man will tell you, oh yeah, you know, some girls are tighter than others. Duh, because some girls do their Kegels. Like, you're truly, darling. Ooh. But that doesn't mean it's because she's been being penetrated over and over and non-stop. You feel me? No, it could be if you're with a female who has multiple partners and she is having intercourse every day and night, back to back to back, and then you stumble across her and then you happen to have intercourse with her, then yes, I could see your point. but I highly doubt you're doing that unless you're with a sex worker. Shout out to all the sex workers out there. Yeah, I don't, yeah. I'm waiting for a guy to come on here or to go into the comment section and be like, yo, I've had a super loose girl before, and yeah, it was like fucking a bag. I've never heard a guy say that ever, and if he has said that, he probably had a tiny dick. He did. So in conclusion, vaginal farts are natural. They're not from mileage. I just rubbed my eyebrow. Okay, I need to go. There's hair in my mouth. The hair is flying everywhere. Oh, I need to edit. I'm tumbling over. Oh gosh, you like my shirt? It says NASA. My hair right here is bothering the heck out of me. Can I just cut it? But yeah, vaginal farts. It's a thing. It's normal. It's human. And if guys had a vagina, would do the same thing, and we would not be having this discussion right now. So yeah, let's talk about that, shall we? Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.